So now I've got a little bit of like idea about the market segment. About 40% of the credit card, they use it and everything. So now the next thing is that like the most interesting part. I want to perform like I want to know a little bit of business analysis thing. So what I'm going to do is like, I'm looking to create a detailed business requirement document. Can you give a quick template to follow along? So I want to create a BRD for this credit card application. So everything like BRD, functional design document, use cases, UML diagrams, activity diagram, sequence diagram. I've tried all these prompts in ChatGPT and everything is working. So now I'm just going to just put a generic message so that like I have to inform the AI that like now a little bit, let's go to business analysis. So that's why now I'm asking it like, I'm going to create a detailed business requirement document, or in case if you are into product management, then you can see PRD also, you can ask for the PRD document also. So now I'm just asking like what all things should be there in the BRD document. So this prompt is also useful when it comes to interviews also. For instance, for those folks who are preparing for business analysis interview, you can ask the questions here and you can analyze the response which the ChatGPT provides in order to check like, have you covered all those terms or not? So these kind of prompts, you can use it for your interview purpose also. So these are the things that will be there in the BRD document. So first stage, I'm like prepping up. Okay, so I'm just this query I wantedly used it in order to prep the ChatGPT that like first you tell me what all things should be there in the BRD document, and then my next prompt is that like I'll ask BRD to create a BRD. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a BRD document for this. So before that, I will like normally we'll do. I mean, when you play cricket, the first ball will be the trials, and then you'll ball, right? So similarly, so now the next document you see. Help me create the next prompt. I have made it very detailed. Help me create a detailed functional requirement document for an Android app, which is like the credit card application, right? Credit card application, or which is what was discussed and everything. So ChatGPT clearly knows the context. So do include all the important details. So once again, you see the prompt and do include all the important details. So you see Android credit card application, purpose of the document, background of the document, user personas and user stories. Credit card application form, credit limit calculation, credit score verification, approval process, credit card activation, in-app, everything, rewards and loyalty program, push notification. So you see one idea, all you have is like a mobile app for a credit card application, and you see how much requirements you've got it here. So still, this is just, we are just scratching the surface. If you want a detailed information about one particular thing, what are the credit limit calculation rules? You can ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to provide you the data, and you can just copy it and you can put it in your document.